All right, new tech alert. I mean, it's new tech to me, maybe not to you guys, but is this a keyboard or is it a trackpad? Keyboard or trackpad? I mean, you decide because it kind of messes with my brain a little bit. But isn't that so cool that you can have a keyboard? I mean, look how flat this is. This surface is extremely flat. To turn it on, you have a little connector here. It's Bluetooth connected, and you are just using it as a keyboard. Now, obviously, this little keyboard is the mini one. I got it because I want to travel with it. And when I'm traveling with it, my laptop can be far away, and I like that to have a little bit of space on my desk. And so usually I'll put it up on a raised stand or whatever. Check this out right here. So it's a trackpad that also going to learn your gestures, right? And it has multiple gestures that you can use. So right here on the space bar, you can touch on the screen. It has mouse controls right here. So if you need to click right here, or you can program one of these keys to be a click. So that's the cool thing about this, is that you can program it to be any profile. So you can come in here, say, you know what, I want to add a new profile. Every time I open up Photoshop, I want the keyboard to act a certain way, where you can you can create your own hotkeys whenever Photoshop is open, and it recognizes it. And then you can start adding your gestures over here, and then you can assign it a so you can go 3-finger gesture or a 4-finger gesture, and this is for the Adobe Photoshop right here. Or I can go back to my Chrome profile and say, okay, when I'm on Google Chrome or on the internet, I want it to act a certain way. Now, the cool thing about this is it's going to know what program you're in and how it's going to act. And so you can see here, you know, hey, swiping up. 4-finger swipe up is going to increase my brush size. 3-finger swiping up is going to, and you can just go back to 4-finger. And over here in this section, you can add what you want it to do. And these are the things that are presets as what you want it to do, your navigation, all that kind of stuff. So clipboard, navigation. I'm going to tell you right now that this definitely has a pro and a con. The pro is that once you get used to it, you're going to be flying through everything. You're going to kick these old keyboards to the past. The con is that it's going to take a little bit of learning curve, muscle memory, all that kind of stuff. Just like with anything, when phones were introduced, when controllers were introduced, you know, remember those Atari? You know, now we have all these buttons. You just got to play with it after a while. I'd probably say after about a week, that learning curve definitely dies down, but give it about a week of using it, and you're never going to go back. I love using this thing all the time, and I love the sleekness of it as well. All right, let me pull up some specs. This is pretty cool. All right, so you can come in here and actually change their RGB colors, and it is a full range of RGB. You can kind of see right here. So whatever color that you like it to be, you just come over here to your custom colors, and it is a full range. So at full range of RGB, and you can actually choose the section. It's like, okay, I want this color to this color. I want this color over here to be this color, and this color to be this color, and you can even have your gestures follow you, so in full color mode. I mean, that's pretty cool. He's kind of geeking out, and you can change that to whatever suits your need. I mean, that's really cool. That's awesome, where you can change the RGB and whatever floats your boat, right? But like I said, the learning curve is a little steep, but I love it. I kind of geek out on learning new technology and new stuff. You can see I'm still going through the motions, still trying to figure everything out, but I've made a goal to just use this and not use my mouse or anything like that. And so far, it's awesome. I love it. The speed of navigating my computer has increased, and the speed of navigating the computer plus the enjoyment level of just going through, switching between tabs, applications, plus the size. I love having small space-saving stuff that has a lot of features. And so I love this. Oh, and also you can actually set this up as Bluetooth. So you can set this up to your TV, your smart TV. So when you're logging into things or when you need to type, you have a keyboard right here. And you can switch that easy by the F1 key. So not the F1, but the function F4 is for your TV. So you can switch that on the fly, which is really cool, because how often are we doing that with the remote trying to log in? No, you got a keyboard. So that's another nice to have, not a must to have, but hey, that's something that is pretty cool as well. So honestly, if you're looking for something that's futuristic, saves space, replaces your mouse and your keyboard, then this might be a solid pickup for you.